Hey guys, today we are doing a video on playing with slime. We'll do a video of making slime, but I don't know how. But this is, I got this for Easter. And Happy Easter, everybody! Happy Easter. But I know I got this from my Easter basket. It's called Cool Oozy or Ooze, I don't know. Or Ooze. But say it can glow in the dark, but I can. And they say stretch it, but when I stretch it, that happens. So some complaints, but let's get right into it. And so now I'm gonna play with this. Or do things with this. The first thing I'm going to make is a snowman. So I'm trying to make it this way for you guys. So all the pieces are right here. The big piece right here. I need to make the big piece. Big piece right there. Here, that's the big piece. Small piece, medium size. Right there. Small head piece. Right there. Now, one arm, two arms. That was something else I got for you today. This. So, now, what is that? Alright. Hey. Alright. Here is my snowman. Or human guy. Oh, it needs legs. I said I was gonna make a snowman, but it didn't look like a snowman. It looked like a guy. So I'm adding legs. So there. Now let me show you what he looks like now. Wow! You're there. Who made you this? I am clean. I do not want this on my rollers. Not bad. It's comfortable. And I have a fit. So. Alright, time to make the sword from Minecraft. Alright guys, something just happened. And you really good catcher, guys. So well, I have a anyway, right there, on that. Ow! Ow! we're going to do a dinner video. And this one will come next video. Alright, time for the sword. Guys, this is really sticky to this mat thing. The sword is going to be the last thing I make, so I'll make it professional. So super cutting. That all goes together. I need to work on this real quick. Yeah. For that to dry. And it won't dry. So what would I say? I have to wait for it to dry. And I won't do a Minecraft first video because I do not have it. I would make a video on Xbox, but I saw I was gonna make it skinny, so yeah. My floor is clean, so there. Sword. It's not like the Minecraft thing, but it's a sword. Oh, it broke. Well, I could have showed you a picture of it, but I do not know how to edit video. So, alright, see you guys in a bit. I found out what it was called, and that was hold up, I'm trying to make it. It's supposed to be cool as the K. Hold up. So, I'll show you guys. Cool ooze or something. I don't know. Cool ooze. And that's it. Hope you have a great day. And have fun with the Easter egg hunt. If you haven't one. If you don't celebrate it, good day. Or good day or something. Please subscribe and leave a comment down below saying that you subscribe and I will reply. Bye.